Welcome back, friends. Today we're going to be doing another how-to video of getting into 8 angle pose. So grab your mat and join me for the next 5 minutes. We will begin in half lotus pose. Hands in prayer in front of your chest. Breathing in and out. Take a twist to the left. Your right hand on your left knee. Now to the right. Roll out those wrists. Cross your knees. Take another few breaths. Breathing in and out. We will now take our left leg behind us, bending over our left hip, getting another nice hip stretch. And onto our right side, bending our right leg behind, twisting over our right shoulder. Enjoy this nice hip stretch and back stretch. Come forward, bend your knees. Stretch out that back. Roll out your wrists and get ready for 8 angle pose. We'll be taking our left leg over our left arm, cradling it in towards your body, rocking back and forth to open up that hip. Hook it a little higher on your arm if you can, then take your right ankle over your left ankle and push up. Come to boat pose, roll out your wrists, take a little break. Extend your legs into full boat pose. Come back down to bent knees. Right, and we will try that one more time. Left leg over our left arm. Right ankle over our left ankle. And push up into 8 angle pose. Roll out your wrists. Put your arms behind you. Stretch out your back. Come forward to cross legs. And great job. Eight angle pose is more of a complicated pose, so don't worry if you were unable to push up into the complete pose today. As long as you practice putting your left leg over your left arm, crossing your ankles, getting into that motion, you will eventually be able to push up into the pose and hold it for longer and longer. So again, don't worry if today you were unsuccessful with pushing up, you will get the hang of it. Also, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified of future videos. And check out my Instagram as well. The link is in the description. Thanks.